How to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can see your Facebook password if you forgot it. Now there's no such feature as seeing your Facebook password if you've forgotten it unless and until if you have not saved it on your Google password. So if you have not saved it on your Google, then you'll not be able to see it. Apart from that, what you can do is you can also check your Instagram, or you can just get connected with an Instagram or continue with both of these applications. If you have already saved your password on Google, what you need to do is you need to go to your settings application. After that, it's going to direct you to the settings page. Scroll down a bit, go to Google. Now select the account where you've actually saved your Facebook password. Click on manage your Google account. As soon as you've done that, swipe towards left hand side, click on security. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom and you need to go to manage password, or you need to go to password manager. Click on it. After that, you'll be able to see the password that you've saved on your Google Manager. Here you need to select Facebook, and then after that it's going to ask you to verify it by entering the PIN or maybe confirming your identity. Next page, you'll be able to see your password if you have already saved it. So click on the I button and you'll be able to see your password. And in this way you can see your Facebook password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.